Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 6165 Viewboard Road in the town of Middlesex.
This is the ultimate nature's paradise with over 11 acres and a pond nearby Canandaigua Lake.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy the soothing sounds of nature and scenic country views from the spectacular Great Room. Featuring a spacious family room with a wood-burning stove with a stone surround, a dining area with great natural light and heated floors, and a designer kitchen with gorgeous Yorktown cabinetry, granite countertops, and a traditional farmhouse-style sink. Plus a spacious living room with beautiful hardwood floors, a gas stove, and stairs to a bonus room or bedroom with a private balcony, all with outdoor access with nature and pond views. The first floor also features a convenient full bathroom and laundry.
This separate second floor bedroom wing features 3 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors and balcony access, plus a full bathroom, including this amazing and relaxing owner's bedroom with those incredible views.
This private hilltop retreat has over 11 scenic acres, a 2-car detached garage with loft storage, a stocked pond, and hiking trails. What a great place to live! This property has a premier country setting with sweeping hilltop views and seasonal Canandaigua Lake views.
Nearby is Vine Valley Beach and boat launch. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6165 Viewboard Road in Middlesex.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!